Weather Radio KDO 89 St. Louis, Missouri, operating on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz. We broadcast from the National Weather Service office in St. Louis, Missouri, and serve St. Louis and surrounding areas. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Jersey County, northwestern Madison County, northeastern St. Charles County until 2 p.m. At 1:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Grafton and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Godfrey, Grafton, Elsa, Portage de Sioux, West Halton, and Otterville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Jersey, and Madison, and St. Charles, Missouri. The flood